sila sa tanan, no? Pasalamat tas Ginoo na marag ningot ka kay panahon bisag challenging kayo ang swim pero di kayo init daw cloudy kayo, no? So marag manageable ra gyud ang kainit, no? So we're very happy na successful gyud kaayo ang atong Ironman. So far walay pa na disgrasya, wala pa tay untoward incidents, no? So we hope to do this again next year.
Mayor, what keeps Lapu-Lapu City support Ironman? Like, kada tuig for the past 12 years, are you held sa Lapu-Lapu?
Yeah, for the past 4 years, ato na yung rename into Ironman 70.3 Lapu-Lapu. No? So, we really believe in supporting sports and also sports tourism. No? Kay aritanan sila mo stay, aritanan mga on, aritanan, you know, the economy is so alive and vibrant kung nangataan ni na event.
In the coming days, Mayor, expecting sa kaning tourism na to, especially kaning sa atong
Yeah,
backcountry.
some are staying until 3 days pa yun, no? So they came here a week before, then recover pa daw sila, so 2 to 3 days more. So, at least buhi atong mga hotels and atong mga restaurants, no? Atong mga vendors, atong mga riders, mga taxi, so buhi.